Hi, it's Ryan Charles with ALCOVA Mortgage in Midlothian. Today I'm going to talk to you briefly about two very common misconceptions that the public has. The first is Zillow. Every real estate professional that's about to watch this is going to thank me for saying it, but the Zillow Zestimate is not your home's value. I repeat, the Zestimate is not your home's value. A home's value is based on recent comparable sales, and Zillow, first of all, uses outdated information. Secondly, it just looks at mass aggregate information. It has no idea about the value of your house. Sometimes it's close, other times it's way off. The one thing I will say about it is the trend tends to be true. So because they look at mass aggregate data, as the trend continues a certain direction, well, the values usually follow that way too. So you can use it for trends, but certainly not for valuations. The second thing I want to talk to you about, same theory, is credit scores. All those little credit companies like Credit Karma and the ones with the little catchy jingles on TV, those scores are not accurate. That's not your credit score. If you're paying for that service, cancel it immediately. There's no use in that. The scores are determined by proprietary scoring models by Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. They don't share those models with anyone. So when you think you have your credit score from one of those, that's not true. Now, the trend typically is true. So if you're watching your score go up over time, well, that's true, but the score is certainly not. And believe me, when people come to me tell me their score is a 715 because they got it from Credit Karma, and when I pull their tri-merge and it's a 672, it's not usually the most fun conversation to have, but it's certainly the truth. So remember, the Zestimate, just a data point. That's all it is. It's not the value. The credit scores on Credit Karma, data point again. Watch for the trend. Use it for what it's good for. Those things are good for trend watching, certainly not for accuracy. Hope that helps. See you next time. Thanks for listening. Bye.